Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Sophia. Today I want to introduce our new product student series for you guys. This is a 41.2 voltage 300 amp battery pack. First, let's take a look about the appearance. As we can see that this time we have two colors. One is the black and the other one is the white. The first bench to the US only have the black, and the first bench to the Europe have the black and white colors. I prefer white colors. Okay, let's take a look about the designs. The overall shape is a rectangular block. There are grooves. Here has the grooves, and the other side also have the grooves. These grooves serve two functions. One, they provide space for a bearing point when we transport it. The second, they allow for the heat dissipation to prevent the battery cells from expanding and plugging. This is excessive heat. Looking down, this side also have the holes to the heat dissipation. I believe that everyone will are trembled by knots of the export cables when we install our solar energy storage systems. Compared to the previous CC and LN series, this time inside this new battery pack have the cable panel located inside the back. Yes, let's take a look. As we can see that this is the empty interface, and this one is the movable. As we can see, this is a removable panel with built-in plugins. We also add a duct covers to the cables, which prevent the dust from contacting the connectors and cause any charge flow problems. Someone may. Okay, let's see the interface. This is the air circuit, and this is the RS485 and CAN plugin, and this is the place we plug in our Wi-Fi module. This one, and now let us to how it make it. Okay, just we can see it. This is the Wi-Fi module, and in this plugin, and also have other communication plugins like the CAN and the RS485 and the 232. Okay, let's take a look at the components. The BMS we use still the Daren BMS, but compared to the previous CC and LN series, this time we use a JK2A active balancer module, which have Bluetooth function, allowing to check whether our active balancers is working via a mobile app. This function are previously missing from the CC and the LN series, and so that in many cases we usually don't know whether our active balancer were working. But this new product solve these problems. Many the BMS ensure the safety. Active balancer ensure increase durable and infection for a battery pack. If you want to know more knowledge about BMS and the active balancers, please leave your comments and we will reply to your answers as soon as possible. Okay, let's take a look about the display. As we can see the screens. Touching the entire screen is very responsive. The interface displays the status of each battery cells and allows you to select your preferred languages. English, Chinese, and Italian, or other languages. We totally have 18 languages to select. And you can see see here has some black space. This is where you can see the details of other parallel battery pack. Okay, let's take a look at the interview structure. You can see the cells are arranged side by side, and the battery cells are connected with the welding technology instead of the traditional screw connection methods. Welding ensures more consistent resistance between the cells, making the battery more efficient. Each battery pack is equipped with 4 wheels to assist with movable, and these wheels can bear the 400 kilograms weight. Now let's take a look at the entire production process of these new products. If you want to know more information about our new products, please leave your comments below and we will answer your questions as soon as possible. Okay, thank you for seeing our videos. The next videos we will introduce our next battery pack Panda series, which is a 41.2 voltage, 628 amp hours, 30 kilowatt battery pack for you guys. If you want to know other products or see more LiFePO4 battery knowledge, please follow my channels and see you next time. Bye.